Kuladi. This is also a heavy sharp cutting vessel. Handle is attached here and this is the blade. The injuries produced by this kuladi or blade of an axe will resemble to this butcher's knife, right? Butcher's knife. So it can cause abrasion, it can produce contusions, it can produce lacerations, it can produce chop wounds, incised wounds, cut fractures. Simple fractures can also be produced by such a weapon, right? These rules, only difference is this sporting handle. This one is kirpan. And the one without handle is dagger. Right? Difference is of handle only. This sporting handle. This sport is the handle. Am I clear? Yes. This is the injuries produced by this type of weapon will be mainly stab injuries, but apart from it, it can produce abrasion from this corner like this. If it is stressed like this, it will produce abrasion. Then contusion from the flat surface, also from the handle. If it is handle is hit, it will produce contusion. Lacerations are also possible. Laceration can also be there. Although chances are less because for laceration there should be some heaviness. Weapon should be heavy. But it is possible, particularly on the back of the hand. Laceration can be there. Then incised wound. Incised wound particularly in the hand. Right? And stab injury. Stab. Injuries by both dagger as well as kirpan will be similar because primarily the weapons are more or less same except the handle. Then this one. If it is kept like this, right, danda. Right? And danda is a blunt weapon. Right? So that will produce contusion and laceration and fractures also. But if the weapon is like this, it is gupti, G-U-P-T-I, because the weapon was hidden. Weapon was hidden inside, right? So to confuse you, at times also you will not be allowed to touch it, right? Otherwise there will be difference. अगर आपको ऐसे नजर आ रहा है गुप्ती राइट गुप्ती नहीं तो so now the question is what injuries can be produced by gupti? It can produce abrasion, contusion particularly from the handle part and also from the flat surface. Flat surface behaves like a blood pool. Then lacerations are also possible. Then stab injuries, and also inside wound from this part. Inside. So primarily there will be stab injuries, but apart from it, which we have in childhood, abrasions, contusions and blistering on the cooking. Next is these two. Go.
कारतूस, हिंदी में कारतूस कहते हैं.
It is empty cartridge case of a shotgun. It is empty cartridge case of a shotgun. Inside, yes.
ये देख के बोलना है. नो नो.
The importance of this is we can identify the weapon because it will be found at the scene of crime,
यस सर.
right? And the markings on the base as well as on the sides, right? No two weapons produce similar markings. So no two weapons are identical on this earth, right? It may be of same make, even then, because of the wear tear, because of the some difference in the making, right? There will be some difference. So we can identify the weapon from this under a comparison microscope. That is called the test firing. Say the whatever the LS weapon, we will fire from the LS weapon and we will compare whether the markings are same or not. If it is matching, then we can say yes, it is the same weapon which has been used in the crime. So it is empty cartridge case of a shotgun. This is bullet of a rifled firearm. Rifled firearm. This pistol and revolver, AK-47 also, these are rifled firearm. Rifled firearm. AK-47 is also rifled. See, here also, it may have some jacket that may be found on the side also. But from this also like this previous one, under a comparison microscope, we can identify the weapon. So importance is that from this we can identify the weapon used. These two. In this skull, see the ear. It is a
कुराड़ी.
This one is depressed cut fracture. Why I am saying? See, here there is a depression on this side. Depressed cut fracture of the skull. See, this one is a burr hole. It is an operative procedure to drain the blood, particularly extradural hemorrhage. To drain the blood, this procedure is done by neurosurgeons. So this one is on the sides, on the dependent areas. This one is burr hole and this is a depressed cut fracture of the skull. And this is caused by a heavy sharp cutting weapon, just like your axe. Heavy sharp cutting weapon will produce such type of issue. Parsa has a broader area, so it is unlikely by Parsa, more likely by Kuladi.
लाठी से भी हो सकता है.
Here, see this one. Here also, this one is also some artifact is also there, but this is a burr hole. You find the sutures are separated. BURR, burr hole. The sutural separation. sutural separation is caused by blood force. Blood force. Diastolic fracture or the sutural separations are by blood force, like your lathi or danda.
लाठी
Lathi can also produce by blood force. Diastolic fracture.
लाठी लाठी
Diastolic fracture or sutural separation.
पाटी पाटी पास में
See,
हैं?
you can
पास में ये बाद में खींच लेंगे अपन
identify this specimen, lower part is tongue.
नहीं दिख रहा है क्या?